So this is an Opel Corsa D, and I'm replacing the clock spring. As you can see here, this is the one. Let's pick for the airbag. This is a new one, as you can see. And for those of you who don't know how to change this, let me show you. You just grab a piece of this is a welding wire, and let me show you. There's a hole here, a small one, as you can see. You enter from there. Let me show you. You can see it's inside now. You just pull this. Okay, I inserted it better now. Okay, and it's coming out. You can see. Now I'll insert it in the other one. Because there's a, I don't know if you can see it. There's like a square knob which enters in that box right there. You enter it until you hear the click. That's it, and you replace the indicators now. So this was a short video. We're replacing those. Bye.